So I've got my green smoothie here. Yum, so delicious. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all doing really well. So for today's video, I basically just wanted to show you guys what I drink and all the beverages that I have on like a daily basis. So what that means is I'll show you like the lemon tea, the green tea, and all the smoothies that I have over a working week. So I'll show you the recipe to the smoothies that I make. We've got 3. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I make these smoothies, then please continue watching, and if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel down below. And yeah, let's just get started on the video. So the first thing that I have when I wake up in the morning is my lemon water. My lemon water is my favorite thing in the morning. I think it just wakes me up and makes me feel really refreshed. And I think it's really important to hydrate first thing in the morning because we have been fasting for like 7-8 hours. And because our body is made up of about 70% water, it's really important that we put that fluid back into our body so our body is functioning properly. So that's the first thing that I like doing in the morning. So basically what I do is that I boil some water, making sure that it's not too hot and that it's not cold, because cold water isn't like pleasant first thing in the morning. So I try to keep it lukewarm, and then I add in my lemon and just stir that around, and that is what I have in the morning. And also that's what gets my digestive system going, and it just makes me feel a lot lighter, fresher, and just ready to start my day. So once I've done that, and about like an hour or so after that, I start feeling hungry. So what I do is then I start making my smoothie. So I've got 3 smoothie recipes that I use interchangeably. So depending on my mood for the day, that's the smoothie that I would go for. So my first smoothie is my go-to smoothie. This is the one that I have on most days because I know it'll provide me with all the benefits, all the nutrients, antioxidants for my body, because it contains my greens and my fruits. So that's what I mainly resort to for most days. And the thing I love about this smoothie is that because it's got so many ingredients in it, it actually makes me fuller for longer. So I absolutely love that. So this is how I make my green smoothie. So what we have here is some spinach. I like getting like a handful of spinach. I know it looks like a lot, but trust me guys, it's fine. Not to worry, because you honestly can't even taste the taste of the greens because the fruit overpowers that taste. So don't worry at all, it's fine. And next I've got some kale here. So again, just a handful of kale. So next I've got some coconut water here. You can use normal water if you like as well, but I'm not really a fan of just ordinary water. And I've got my lemon here. So this is the same lemon that we used this morning for my lemon water. I'm just going to use the remainder of this lemon for this smoothie. I've got some frozen mango here. I've got my whey protein powder. So this is in the vanilla flavor. That's a really yummy flavor. Next I've got some chia seeds here. So chia seeds are a great source of antioxidants and omega-3. Next I've got ginger here. Ginger has a lot of great properties. It's got medicinal benefits and it helps fight morning sickness. So if you're ever feeling nauseous, this is a great way to put into your smoothie to make you feel alive and awake. Next I've got some frozen banana, and you guys would have seen this recipe for my smoothie in my morning routine, which I will link up here for you guys and also in the description box below. So the only thing I've added to this is the lemon and the chia seeds. So let's get started making our smoothie. So I've got my NutriBullet cup here. So we're going to start off with the kale. So I've got the kale in there. So next I'm going to be taking our spinach. Next I'm going to take the frozen banana, which we did the night before. Next, taking some frozen mango. Next, we're going to put in our ginger. So I wouldn't put in all of it. So I'm putting about 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's put 5 little cubes of ginger. Probably add in about a handful of chia seeds. Next, I'll be adding in my lemon. Next, I'll be adding my coconut water, and just want to eyeball this just enough so you can make it mix nicely and smoothly in the blender. So one thing I did forget to add to this green smoothie was the protein powder. So you just need to add 1 cup of the protein powder in your green smoothie. Yeah, forgot to show that to you guys, sorry. So that is all nicely blended. As you can see, it's got the right consistency. And it's just so yummy. I love the taste of this. You can't taste the greens at all, trust me. And if you're still not happy with the taste, then maybe just add a little bit more fruits. Like you could add apple in there as well. Maybe some more berries in here as well, just to get rid of the spinach taste. But trust me guys, like it's very, very minimal. You can hardly taste the spinach and kale. So yeah, I love this one. This is really, really good for my mornings. Now, smoothie number 2 is something that I have on days where I'm running late and I don't have enough time to make the green smoothie because I need to like wash the kale and spinach, and when I don't have times for that, then I resort to this smoothie. So this smoothie is very tasty, it's very healthy because it's just got fruits in it. So this is how I make this smoothie. So the ingredients that I've got here, so as you guys know, I've quit dairy, so I've got soy milk here and it's enriched with calcium. So here I know that I'm not losing out on calcium. Next, I've got the mixed berries, and just again I've got my protein powder in the vanilla flavor, again my frozen mango, and here I've got my frozen banana. So let's whip everything together and see how we go. And next we're going to add in the soy milk, so I'll pop that in. It's just enough to make the consistency runny. And here we go, we have our mango, berry and banana smoothie. This just tastes amazing and we are good to go. And onto my third option. So this smoothie is more like a juice, and it's something that I usually have in the afternoons, on the weekend, in between lunch and dinner. So this one works perfect for me because it fills me up. So here I've just got half kale, half spinach. I've got a Lebanese cucumber. I've got a lemon. I've got 1 apple peeled. I've got a little bit of ginger and coconut water. So yeah, let's quickly whip this up. Alrighty, so I'm just gonna put this in this mason jar and this will be our drink for this afternoon. And then once I'm done with the smoothie, I like to have my green tea, as I am having now. I love green tea. I literally have like 3 glasses of green tea a day. It just makes me feel so warm and so fuzzy inside, and it's just happiness. And it's something that I love having after my smoothie instead of like, you know, resorting to a coffee. I'm not much of a coffee person, so green tea is the way for me. So yeah, with green tea, I would have about 3 cups of green tea a day. So 1 after my smoothie, like maybe 30 minutes or 40 minutes after my smoothie, because I want to let the smoothie digest and properly be absorbed by my body. And then after lunch is another time where I like to sip on my green tea. Third time I have green tea is when I've had my dinner, so just before going to sleep. I love having some tea because that really puts me to sleep. So those are the beverages that I have on a daily basis, obviously choosing between the 3 smoothies. And basically the main goal at the end of the day is just to increase my water intake and my fruits and veggie intake. So that's the reason why I try to jam pack all my smoothies with like a lot of fruit and vegetables, because I know the benefits water can bring to your body, aka your skin. And so yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section below what other videos you would like to see. Maybe I could do like a what I eat in a day video. And if you did enjoy this video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. And that's it. I shall see you guys in my next video. Thanks guys.